Hey guys, are y'all ready to see what IPSY picked for me for my BoxyCharm for July? Stick around and we'll find out what we got here and what I picked. And hey guys, welcome to my channel. Miss Jackie Russell here. I'm so happy to have you here. If you are not a BoxyCharm or IPSY, what did I call it one time, an IPSYCharm lover, well, you might turn into one if you're looking for a makeup and to get some really good deals. I've been having great, I guess you could say, shopping deals in their shop, and I've got a couple of extras in here that I picked up. And this box is $31.99 or $32 plus $1.99 handling and your tax. So I pay about $36.74 for my box. This box is worth $258. Now, with that said, I'm not sure if that also includes my add-ons. I paid 15 something for my add-ons, so we'll see how that all works out. I think it was $16.79 with the tax, but we're going to go through this and find out what I had. With BoxyCharm, you get this once a month. You can upgrade to the icon box, and the next one is with an artist named Ash, and I think Holmes, and she's from Texas, so very interesting. I'm looking forward to maybe trying that out. I haven't ever bought an icon box, but I am considering it for my next box. So let's get in here and see what I have. This box is a little bit smaller than some of my other ones have been. And this is weird. Look at this. This is how it came. It just arrived today. And it's kind of loose, so I hope everything's okay in there. I have a feeling that I had a sneaky peeky, like someone was in it. So I hope everything's in here. So far I'm seeing everything. This here is our Hot Glow Summer Box by IPSY BoxyCharm. And our model on here is Wawa. Wawa dives into summer with a mermaid-inspired smoky look. And then, I guess, a hot off the press, Ash K. Home is August Icon Box Curator. So that is some of our new things coming up. I guess this is next month. This is a scan to learn more about the products in your box and beauty trends. But for me, I'm a beach please. So I reapply SPF, yeah, just set my 2-hour timer, skim first finish, and strawberry blush. Well, that sounds all very good. So anyways, that's a little bit about next month. Now we're going to dive into my box, and I'm going to try to find what they picked for me. Okay, the first thing that they picked for me was the Bio Beauty Soothing Booster. This is a retinol wrinkle release complex with nourishing cultivated red algae extract. That sounds very interesting. And Bio, or Beauty Bio, is very good as far as I know. The product has got a good reputation. And I do have some information up on this particular product. It's a smoothing booster. It costs $42 if you used to buy it retail, and you'll love it because it targets dry, uneven skin with this skincare booster that contains proprietary retinol complex encapsulated with vitamin F, C, and A. I didn't know there was a vitamin F for max firming results. Nourishing red algae and soothing apple extracts help calm and revitalize while enhancing hydration, making this gentle enough for even most sensitive skin. So that is all really good to know. And this is, it is sealed really good. But this is what it looks like, and it reminds me of green apple with the green on there. So what do you guys think? Have y'all ever tried this? Is this something new? I don't know. But your directions is apply to the skin after cleansing or adding to serum or moisturizer in the PM. Avoid direct eye contact. So that gives us a little information. It is a booster retinol. Now, retinol is good for your skin. It'll help with wrinkles. And I'm not sure how to apply this. It's got a button. Oh, it's a push button. Look at that. As soon as I started to push. So let's put some on top of my skin right there. It's a little bit, I'd say, yellowy, greeny yellow. It doesn't have a scent, which that's good, and it just goes on nice and smooth and liquidy. So that's very nice. And it's absorbing really nicely. So that's a great product. Okay, that was my first product. That's a win. And then the next thing they picked out for me was a pencil. And let me go and find the information on this. The next thing they picked out for me was a brow pencil, and it says page not found. So that tells me that it's sold out. So they don't have any more of these. So I don't know how much this value is, and I don't think any of my information tells me that. Yeah, it just tells me it's a brow wand in creamy chai, which is taupe. So I don't really know anything else about this product other than it is a brow pencil, and I don't know the value. This is what it looks like, and it's the brow wand, and its Scone is the maker of it and of the brand. They're out of New Jersey and made in PRC. I'm not sure where that is exactly, but it's creamy chai is what they call it, and then they put it in taupe. So it should be a good color for me. I want to see what it looks like. They've got it wrapped good. But my fingernails are good too, and they just pulled it right off. So let me get this off of here. We got a spoolie. Okay, here we go. Let me get the spoolie in back together, and let's check this out. Oh goodness. That was a little hard to get off. Okay. Now, does it come up? There's our color. And we'll see what it looks like on. It's very faint. There, I tried to mark it on there really good there. So, I don't know if I can even tell the difference with what I have on. Go underneath there and see if it does anything. Might have filled in a little bit through there. See how it does on the ends. I'm looking at a mirror over here in case you're wondering. So yeah, I think that did add a little bit. And let's spool it out. Just a little bit. I can see that shadowing underneath there. So I think I'll like that. Okay, and it goes good with this look. And this is a Natasha Denona look. I just got that star palette, that mini palette. And I've got a full, tell you all about it in one of my makeup videos. Okay, now what did I choose? And that's the next step that we're going to. I chose the LYS, and this was the makeup foundation stick, the Triple Fix is what they call it. It's got a lot of little writing here. I picked it in tan. I think that was the only color. I mean, so you had to know if it'd be a good color for you, and I thought that it would work for me. And I don't know if I can, I'll just put it on here. There's the color for me. So it is a good match for my skin. So that's good to know. Let's find out what the value is. Let me pull it up. It's the Triple Fix, and it's not found either, so that means it's sold out. That's kind of a bummer that they don't leave the information on there long enough to find out anything. Might have to go back and write it across the screen after I do my editing. But this is very nice. I don't have any other information than what it says, and you just twist it to come up and back. So that's very nice. It's a nifty little thing. It'd be great for carrying in your bag. And like I said, that color is a good match for me. So I think that'll work out just perfect. All right. And let me see if there's any other information that we can get off of here. The key ingredients is green tea extract. Ooh, I might have to be careful of using that. Hope I don't turn red. Watermelon seed extract, which is nice, and then the rosehip oil. Now the other two I am fine with, so if it's just a little bit of green tea, I may be okay. The ingredient-rich complexion enhance helps visibly even skin tone while concealing the look of any blemishes or uneven toned skin. Just a swipe all-in-one serum, primer, and foundation. So you've got it all in one, it says. That's pretty cool. And this is such tiny writing. It says, pigmented alluring stick instantly wipes away the look of breakthrough texture, enlarged pores, giving it a veil of coverage with a natural skin-like finish. It features a lightweight, easy-to-blend formula with green tea extract, watermelon seed extract, and rosehip oil for lasting hydration and glow, which I just mentioned that. So anyways, I think it's going to be pretty nice. You can see that it's still on there. It absorbed well, and it's a good color for me. So I'm glad I picked that. Now the next thing I picked was the brushes. They had brushes. These were like a $70 value. I do remember that. But let me see if I'm right and see if it's still even there. Page not found. No, page is not there. So it's another thing that's sold out. So that means a lot of people picked these brushes. And I don't have any information on them. They're eye brush set. And that's what's here on the package. And again, if I can find the pricing, I'll have it across there for you guys. So I'm sorry about that. I don't know why their program is set up to not give you the cost of it. Even though it's sold out, it should just say sold out. But that's not what it says. But aren't these pretty? They've got purple on the end. I've never had any ombre looking eye pencils, so this will be really pretty. And they're really soft. And look at that. That's got a nice point on it. I'm going to enjoy using that, because my other little brush is getting a little wore down. This here looks like for lips. Isn't that so pretty? And here's my blender, or my base. I think that is a blender brush. You guys probably know brushes better than I do. Here's another eyeshadow brush. I'd probably use that for highlighting. And then here's another shadow brush across the top of my lids. Now, if that's what it's used for, I'm not sure, but that's how I'd probably use it. And if I remember correctly, they were like a $70 value. But again, I may be way off. I'm not sure. I'll let you know. Now, the last choice that I made, and it is the palette. And it is the Beauty by Belle palette. And it's made by a YouTube influencer. OG Palette's what it's called. The OG palette, I think. I don't know. And believe me, it's probably sold out too. Let me go back and look. The Beauty by Belle. Okay, they do have information on this. It's normally $39. And see, they have a line through it. It says it's sold out, but why don't they do that on the other? So why is the page not found? This says create endless eye looks with this 18 palette eyeshadow palette designed by YouTuber and icon beauty Carly by Belle. And effortless everyday neutrals to full glam statement shades. This collection features a mix of finishes, matte, shimmer, and metallics that blend seamlessly together and deliver high impact for a color payoff. And again, it was a $39 value. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of a light purplish color. And let's see. Ooh, this is gorgeous. It does have a color saver. And on the color saver are all my colors, I think. If I have it on there the right way. So I don't know if y'all be able to see that or not. Oh yeah, it tells you most of the colors right there. That little pinky purple one's called Brook. And we have all those other colors. They're so pretty. Yeah, I can see where you can get the nudes, a lot of nice looks, and even a sultry, smoky look out of that. Very pretty. And I like that the color saver has our colors on there. And of course there's a mirror on there. And these are just gorgeous. And as you could tell, I'm going to take the cover off. There's mattes and shimmers. So it is a beautiful, beautiful palette to work with. You got your dark colors all the way down to your lights and a little gold there. Sorry if it's flashing you. But this is a gorgeous palette. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. All right. So very pretty. Okay, those were my choices. And then I bought a couple of add-ons. And one of the choices that we had, which was very hard for me to not pick, was the Wonder Beauty. And these are about $26, maybe $30 value for 6. They are the baggage claim gold under eye mask, and I love these, and I was totally out. And for a while there, I was getting them all the time in boxes, and then they just quit. So I got this, so I'm thinking this was a $25 value. Let me see what they charged me. I do have the price of what they charged me on this. I paid $12 for it, so it was probably half price. But it was well worth it to get those because I really do like those. And then the next thing that I got was a full-size Bisha pencil of Beverly Hills. And it was in rose nude, so it's a lip pencil. And let's take a look at this. And I got it for $3.50, and I think it was in a value around $20. So I feel like I got another good buy. Well, I have to say they had this taped up really good. Okay, finally broke the package. Let's see what it looks like. It's a Bisha. Ooh, it's pretty packaging too. Look at this. Before I take it all apart, Bisha, and it's a gold packaging. It's very pretty, and then it's got this real pretty color, and I think I told y'all it was rose something. Beverly Hills Essential Lip Pencil by Bisha, and the color is Bisha. Everything's Bisha, Bisha, Bisha. Well, it expires 4/15/2028, so that's kind of nice that they put that on there. But the color, I guess, is that color that's on there that says Beverly Hills. So maybe that's the color they call it. And then IPSY called it in my packaging Rosy Nude. So I guess Beverly Hills is the designer. It says Essential Lip Designer in Beverly Hills. So that's just where they are. So, okay, well, I don't know what I'm talking about. So we'll just move on here. But I do want to show you the color. It's a pretty color. I've got a brown on, so I'll wear it underneath. I mean, over the top. Very pretty. I like that color. And I did have a lippy in here, but I don't know what I did with it. It's kind of blended in. Yep. Okay, I like it. Well, I've never heard of that brand. Have y'all heard of Bisha? Is that how you say it? Bisha? Bisha? Very nice. And I like the color. It's a rose nude. It'll work great for me. I think the packaging is wonderful. So those were my two add-ons. I spent $15, $16 and something with tax for my add-ons, which this was very much worth the price. And then this is a fun little lip liner, very pretty. And then again, I chose the eyeliner, the pencils, the eyeshadow pencils, which are very pretty. It did come in this case, and it's called Miss Glam. So I don't know much about it, but I'll try to find out a price. I think it was $70. And then I think this was around $28 or $30. Not sure. The LYS foundation. I don't think it was expensive as Estee Lauder. So it may be a little bit less. It was in that TGI 1 tan. It says latte, but when I looked it up, it was a tan color. So anyways, works out good for me. I like it. And then they picked for me the eyebrow pencil, which is very pretty. Scone is the brand, PrimeWand eyebrow pencil. So we'll see how that does. And it's in a taupe. They call it creamy cheek. And then I'm really looking forward to this Bio Beauty product. That was really nice. It went on real well and absorbed well. So let me know what was your favorite in my box. Oh, and let's not forget this beautiful palette. I've already wrapped it back up, but this is a great palette. I look forward to getting a look out of it, and I'll share it with you guys, of course. But as for my BoxyCharm, that's what I got this month. I'm real pleased with everything. And again, let me know your favorite. Also use hashtag Jubilee in a sentence down below if you want to be a part of the Jubilee for July. And if you want to share this video, let me know where you shared it and when, and I will get you an entry, up to 3 entries, 3 shares, 3 entries. But you must let me know where and when you shared it. But as for today and my IPSY charm, BoxyCharm box, and my IPSY charm, I like that anyway. In my BoxyCharm, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.